Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following options represents the next term in the series? F, V, I, U, L, T, O, S. Now here, after F, if we skip GH, there will be I. Okay. After I, if we skip JK, then there will be L. After L, if we skip MN, there will be O. And if we skip PQ, R will be there. Now similarly, let us check alternate, means V. After V, if we check the reverse order, U will be there. After U, if we check the reverse order, T will be there. After T, there will be S. And so S, there will be R. Hence, next terms will be F, V, I, U, L, T, O, S, R and R. Okay. So our correct option is option B.